How's it going? I'm here for day 9 of Fergal's tune today. I'm going to play a tune on the guitar today for a change. Thanks a million to everybody who has joined me over on Patreon. I think we're nearly at 50 subscribers, which is just amazing. I released my first Patreon exclusive track yesterday and a couple of people seem to like it, which is always nice. So thank you so much, and if you want to check it out, the link is below. I'm going to play a tune today that was written by Ryan Molloy, my great friend. He wrote a set of tunes for his 3 boys and he called the set The Boys' Reels. I'm just going to play the first tune from that set and it's called Loïc's Reel. There you go. And I forgot to mention that that is on Ryan's album Pianophony, which is on all good streaming platforms. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow for day 10. Goodbye now.